Hey everyone, welcome back to the Austin Lindsay channel. So today I'm doing a review on this Power DeWise Lavalier microphone. It's a mobile friendly microphone, which means you can kind of just plug it into a lot of mobile devices and you're good to go with good audio. It comes with the microphone itself, it comes with an extension cable, it comes with a little adapter, and it comes with a pouch to carry it all in. So the reason I bring up this adapter here is because since this is a mobile friendly lavalier microphone, it has TRRS ends on it, so you have the little two bands in the middle, whereas a TRS just has the one. So you'll need this adapter if you want to plug it into things like your camera, an audio recorder, or maybe a wireless microphone system. So the audio you're hearing in this video is coming from a Zoom H4n, just the onboard stereo XY microphones. What we're going to do now is compare 3 other audio sources. So within this video, you'll have 4 audio sources to kind of compare quality to. Okay, right now we're using the Power DeWise. This one's going into the adapter that's going straight into the Zoom H4n's 3.5mm jack. And this is the audio from that. Check 1 2. Okay, this is the cheapo Chinese mic. This one's going direct into the 3.5mm jack on the Zoom H4n. Check 1 2. Check 1 2. This is the Rhode video mic. This one's about 2 feet away, pointed straight at my mouth. This one's held just a bit out of frame. You can see it there. This one's also running into the Zoom H4n via the 3.5mm audio jack. Now we're back on the Zoom H4n's stereo microphones just to finish out the rest of this video. So if you guys have any questions on any of the microphones, mostly the Power DeWise, that's the one I was kind of more so comparing. Leave the questions down in the comments field. I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks everyone for watching.